Good afternoon. Welcome to The Vinyl Truth. I'm your host, Steve Simmons. All cheesiness aside, I enjoy doing this, and the reason I'm showing you this process is one, so you can see behind me that you can make great shirts, coffee mugs, a variety of things that are 100% custom and at a very affordable price. What I'm going to be showing you today specifically is how to take a $3 shirt, in this case a black one, just a Gildan from Michaels. And I can show you how to order these online for even cheaper. But to take a $3 shirt to add 5 inches by 15 inches of gold vinyl and 4 inches by 12 inches of red vinyl. And we're going to put the red on the front. That's his YouTube name. We're going to put the gold on the back in the shape of a key. That's what he wanted. And I'm going to quantify these costs. A single roll of vinyl, 5 yards, it's good stuff to have around, 45 bucks. Altogether, we are using 6% of that. We're using a total of 15 inches by 9 inches. And that's 6% total, which comes to a cost of $2.70 for the vinyl. Now, I've already cut the vinyl using my wonderful US cutter, my Titan Laser Point 2, $250 machine. And we are going to put his ViewTech here. Put the gold key. I've actually done a couple layers of vinyl for this one. I had some gold lying around on the back. So, since I'm a one-man show, and part of the reason I can do this for $5.70 is because I've done the research, I've got the knowledge, and now I'm going to show you the equipment that I use. And so I've got a 15 by 15 inch by 15 inch heat press. Right, here's my cutter. I've got lots of episodes that show you that. This is just a real basic, simple, cheap setup. Let's go ahead and get to the magic. Take his shirt. Now, I prefer vinyl over inks because of the ease, the storage. It's very easy for me to pull out the $45 roll of vinyl. It's easy to store, it's light, it's not messy, it's not ink. And let's take our ViewTech. He wants it right across the chest, nice and even. Looks good. Side view looks good. Teflon cover. So we're at 335 degrees, or 331. We're going to do about a 16-second press. I need a little more juice than that. There we go. That's my happy dance, right? Because I'm making custom shirts, making them for people. Oh, that looks good. Looks good. Now this vinyl, the red, is actually chrome. It's not Siser. So it is a cold peel. So we let that cool down just a second, and we'll peel that cold before we apply the gold to the back. The key. And the key is actually a two-tone. We're going to do the gold sparkly for the head of the key, and then we're going to do the... Alright, that should be cool. And it is, and it peels right off. If it doesn't peel off with ease, something's wrong. So, here's our ViewTech. Go check out his YouTube channel now. ViewTech. Let's do the back. wheel my little chair over here. And I'm going to go ahead and be a gentleman. Spread this shirt out just so we don't do anything to the front that we just pressed. So, again, very easy to line this up. This is a 15-inch by 15-inch Fancy Air Studio heat press. It's got a 3-year warranty. You can check in the links. You can see where I ordered it, what I paid for it. Let's go a little higher. It's a lovely machine. I love the up and down of the clamshell versus the slide. What I'm doing here is feeling the seams of the shirt underneath it to make sure that it's even and straight. I can see my top here, I can feel, I can do a double check. I could use my ruler and my measuring tape, which I always keep handy. I just have been doing this for 15 inches, so this should fit on there just perfectly. Now we'll get a quick check on the side. Got a 5. And a 5. I tell you, I'm good. Give me a 7. That one we can't line up, so 7. 7. I'm telling you, I'm not bad at this. I did a little bit of something. All right. Put our Teflon sheet back down for protection. Same thing. Now this time, since we're doing a second layer of vinyl on top, I could do this for a few seconds left, less than normal, knowing that, but I've worked with this stuff. This is vinyl on top of vinyl. We're not going to overcook it. We're not going to do it too long. We're not going to overpress it. Okay, I'll wait for that to cool down. Same brand. When I show you the Siser vinyl is a hot peel. As soon as it's done, you peel it right off. This will let cool down just a scotch. Okay, there you go. See, it should. If it doesn't peel right off real easy, then it just wait another minute. Let it cool down. Ooh, yeah. All right. Okay, this is the fun stuff. It's customized. This is what you can't get done in the stores, right? This is why we do what we do. At this point, you've probably noticed this goofy shirt I'm wearing. Right? And don't get more custom than this. I'm kind of good with emotions, you know. Hey. Alright, let's bedazzle this key. Let's make this key sparkle. A sparkler. Sparkling it up. Ooh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Final product. We took that black Gildan and we put our view tick on the front. I'm trying to get it by the seams here. There's the front. That's what he wanted. Not what I would have done, but it was what he wanted. And there's the key. Now the sparkles was a surprise. I don't know. He might not like that, but it's what I do. Maybe I should just sparkle the whole thing. Again, red vinyl, 4 inches high, 12 inches long, combined with this gold vinyl, 5 inches wide, 15 inches long. Total price $2.70 if you're buying them in bulk like I do from US Cutter up in Redmond, Washington. Okay, $45 a roll. I keep the stuff on hand because, as I will show you in the upcoming episodes, I make a lot of shirts for churches, for cleaning companies, for fun, for sports teams, for local high schools. Shout out to Mercer Island basketball. But this is it's a great shirt. Wash it, dry it. Do that for years because it's going to hold up. Nothing's going to happen to it. So this is a lot of fun making. I hope Vutic enjoys wearing it as much as I enjoyed making it. And after he sees this, I'm sure he'll say, hey man, can you do more? Absolutely.